This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're back from Vinda's party. Chickenpox. Let's go. Go on. Can we see what's in our party bags now, please?
Yes.
There was a face painter at Vinda's party, and we had cake and party bags.
Look, a whistle!
What have you got?
A pirate! Ooh, arr. I'm going to make you walk the plank. Oh, water. What's in your party bag, Topsy?
We'll have a look in a minute, Tim. Where's Mummy, Dominique?
Well, she's gone to see her friend, remember? Come on. I'll take your shoes off for you.
Mummy's gone to see her friend Julie, and she won't be back until late. Dominique is looking after us until Dad gets home from work.
Don't you want to play, Topsy?
I don't feel like it, Dominique.
Oh, that doesn't sound like you. Are you okay?
I don't feel very well.
Please, can you take my butterfly face paint off? It's itchy.
Of course. Come with me.
I feel really hot, Dominique.
Oh, well, it has been a busy day. Now just hold still while I take off this last little bit. Oh, don't scratch, sweetie. Come round here. You've got 2 red spots on your forehead. Come on here. Let me see your tummy. You've got 1, 2, 3 spots on your tummy as well. I think you've got chickenpox, Topsy.
Chickenpox?
Yes, lots of children at nursery have had them recently. Andy Anderson and little Stevie Dunton had them as well.
I don't want chickenpox. I want my mummy.
Oh, I know. I tell you what, I'm going to call the doctor and then we'll phone your mummy. How about that? Come on.
Thank you, Doctor. Yes, I understand. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, poor Topsy. Dr. Price said your spots are chickenpox.
Please, can we speak to Mummy on the phone, Dominique?
Yes, we'll call her now.
Dominique phones Mummy's phone, but Mummy doesn't answer the call.
Now, Kerry, Tim, please will you quieten down for me?
Why?
Because Topsy's not very well. She's got chickenpox.
How do you know Topsy has chickenpox?
Because she has spots. Look.
Can I see your spots, Topsy?
I've got 2 on my forehead and 3 on my tummy.
What does it feel like, Topsy?
It's all itchy. I want Mummy.
Poor Topsy.
That's it. Time to get into bed now. There we are. Snuggle down, sweetie.
When I'm in bed, Dominique wipes off Tim and Kerry's face paint in the bathroom. But Topsy's the only one with chickenpox spots. I brought Dr. Sausage Dog for you. Hello, Topsy. Thanks, Tim. Can I see your spots again? Oh, you've got some spots on your cheek now. 1, 2, 3 spots.
I've spoken to your dad on the telephone, Topsy, and he's going to come home as soon as he can. Now, he asked me to give you some of this medicine. Just 1 spoonful.
Have you tried calling Mummy's telephone again?
Yes, but it's still switched off. Sorry, Topsy. I did leave her a message, though.
That's okay. I've got this on my bunny's cuddle.
Good. Now, will you try and get some rest for me?
Okay. Thanks, Dominique. Thanks, Tim. Get well soon, Topsy. Later, Kerry and I make Topsy a get well soon card. And a smile. Look, I've drawn a picture of Topsy, Tim. That doesn't look like Topsy yet. Can I do something, please, Kerry? There. I've drawn some red spots on Topsy. Now that looks like Topsy now. Hello? Where are you all? Topsy! Are you feeling any better? A little bit better.
Come and sit over here, Topsy. Aw.
Look, Topsy, we made a card for you. Thank you. You're welcome. It's Spotty, like me. Mummy! Oh, it's you, Dad. Hello.
Oh, hello, my little Topsy twin. I hear you've got the chicken pops.
Not the chicken pops, Dad. The chicken pops.
How are you feeling?
A bit better now that you're here.
Oh, good. Now, how about I take over from Dominique and look after you instead? Thank you so much for staying with them. Oh, poorly Topsy.
You're welcome.
After Dominique and Kerry go, we all snuggle up under a blanket on the sofa. Dad lets us watch a film, right to the end.
The end. Right. Time for bed. You both need a good night's sleep.
Oh, I think you've got Little Moon Bunny.
Oh, where's Moon Bunny? Where's Moon Bunny? Did I get her?
Can't we stay up until Mummy gets back?
No, I'm sorry, Topsy. It's important you get your sleep. But Mummy will come straight up and give you a kiss when she gets back. I promise. Okay?
I'm back.
Mummy!
How's my top-tastic Topsy?
I've got chicken pox.
Oh, so I hear. I rushed back as soon as I switched my phone on and got my message.
I missed you.
Oh, darling.
Go say hello.
And how is my twin-tabulous Tim? Have you been looking after Topsy for me?
Yes. Kerry and I made Topsy a get well soon card. And that's when Mummy said, Tim, you feel hot. I think you've got chicken pox too.
You feel a little bit hot, Tim. I think you might have chicken pox too.
Do I have spots? Let me see. You've got 2 red spots on your forehead, Tim.
Oh,
Just like me.
You've both got chicken pops.
They probably look like that. Chicken pox. Chicken pox.
No more play dates or parties until you're both better.
That's right, Topsy and Tim. But right now, it's time that we got you two into bed. Come on.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, Topsy had chicken pox. But can you remember who else got chicken pox? Was it Dad? Or was it Tim? The answer is behind the cloud. The answer is me, Tim. Watch this.
You feel a little bit hot, Tim. I think you might have chicken pox too.
Do I have spots? Let me see. You've got 2 red spots on your forehead, Tim. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play